In the previous video, we created the first page of a website and set it as a template. We also enabled the necessary regions and then set their properties. In the upper header, we added some GX portlets and kept the space to publish the menu that will be used to navigate within the site. In this video, we'll create the navigation menu with all its options, publish it in the space we've kept for it, and fine-tune its appearance. So, let's continue designing the website template. We set all the sectors. In each GX portlet toolbar, we will always find two buttons. And in some GX portlets, there will be a third button. The button on the right is used to delete the GX portlet from the page. Pressing it displays a confirmation request. If the action is confirmed, the GX portlet will be deleted, and it won't be possible to retrieve it. The second button is used to set or release a certain GX portlet. In a page with several GX portlets, we may not want to set all the GX portlets in order to prevent some toolbars from being displayed. Also, we may want to set or release a particular GX portlet. The button on the left is displayed only for some GX portlets, and its use will vary depending on the GX portlet. The menus to be displayed are assigned in the Menu GX portlet, and the contents to be published are defined in the Content GX portlet. In the Image GX portlet, the image designer is open to show the image used. Also, we'll be able to make several design adjustments. In this way, the action that can be performed when this button is available will depend on the type of GX portlet used. Now let's create the menu that will be displayed on the screen. If the menu to be displayed already exists in the website, we select it. Since we started working on an empty website, we don't have any menus available to assign yet. So, we create a menu. We enter a title for it, and start defining each one of its options. Each option can point to a website page, to a cataloged link, to another menu in order to create menus with submenus, or to a link that is external to our website. To learn more about cataloged links, please refer to the GX Portal documentation, which is available at gxportal.com/articulos. In this case, we'll create an option that opens a page in our website. If the page already exists, we select it. Otherwise, we can create it at this moment. So far, the only page we have created is the template. Therefore, we'll create an option that points to a page that we will also create at this moment, and then we'll confirm it. The menu option has been created together with the page it points to. For every option, we can select an image to display, an image to show when moving the mouse over the option, an image to show when the option is selected, and other images and data that you can explore. In this way, we'll continue to create the rest of the menu options. To create a new option, we click on the menu, select New, and repeat the same steps as for the previous option. Each menu option will point to a page within the website. When we create each option, we will also create the page it'll open. If an option is not created in the corresponding order, we change the order by dragging it to the right place. We have finished creating our menu, which is included in the template. Now we will complete its look according to the patterns suggested by the designer. We assign the option's text color, the text color on mouse over, and the text color to show when the option is selected. Now let's remove the option's background color. For now, we'll leave the current font because the font to be used is a web font and it's not provided by the operating system. In the next video, we'll see how to use web fonts and Google Web Fonts. Now we set the menu to be horizontally displayed by setting the columns property to 0. This means that the first option will be displayed and the following options will be displayed on the right. We had assigned a background color to the sector in order to highlight the space kept for the menu. Now we will remove it. To leave the default value of a property, we can right-click on it. We set the sector to be right-aligned. We adjust the option size and reserved width, set its center alignment, and change the separation between options. Now we'll refresh the page preview to see how it looks. The menu is displayed according to the pattern suggested by the designer. Now we only have to use the right font. We open the GX Portal Design Tools, Menus option, and we can see that the menu created from the page designer is available here. We may display it in other pages if necessary. For example, if our website had more than one channel and every channel used a different template, we may want to show the same menu in both templates. From here, all the website menus are centrally managed. The actions available include creating new menus, as well as editing, deleting, publishing, and copying a menu. The changes made to a menu will be applied everywhere it's used. We open the Site Map tool, select the main channel, and we can see all the pages we've created. The actions that can be performed depend on the selected element. At this moment, a channel has been selected. Now we want to set a page as the main page of the site. To do so, we select the corresponding page, and the toolbar will change the actions available. We indicate that this page will be the website's main page. So now we've seen how to create a menu and publish it on a page. In the next video, we'll continue to talk about design topics, including how to manage colors, images, and fonts.